Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate LTspice to simulate EV inverter switching circuits. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open LTspice on your computer. Navigate to the file menu and select New Schematic. Create the schematic. Use the component library to find essential components like MOSFETs, diodes, and capacitors. Place the components onto your schematic. Wire the components according to your inverter design. To set up the voltage source, select Component from the menu. Choose the V symbol for a voltage source and place it on your schematic. Configure the voltage source by right-clicking and entering the desired parameters. Next, connect the ground by selecting Ground from the component library. Place the ground symbol in your schematic. Ensure all components are correctly connected to the ground. Now, input the pulse width modulation control signal. To do this, add a voltage source that will act as a PWM input. Right-click on the PWM voltage source to configure its parameters. Set the amplitude and frequency according to your PWM requirements. Once your circuit is complete, check for any errors. Click on Simulate from the menu and select Edit Simulation command in the window that appears. Choose the Transient tab for time-based simulation. Enter your desired stop time and any other parameters needed. Click OK to generate the simulation command and place it in your schematic. To run the simulation, click on the Running Man icon in the toolbar. Observe the waveform results in the viewer. If adjustments are needed, go back to the schematic to modify component values or connections. Repeat the simulation for the updated circuit. Review the results to analyze the inverter's performance. Save your work by going to the File menu and selecting Save As. Name your project and choose a location on your computer for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.